how are you? I think you all are good. I am your English teacher for class 2. Today we are going to practice of lesson 1 Raksha Bandhana and the first poem, that is Rakhi Day is a Writer's Day. Okay? New words. Affection means liking or a love. What is the meaning of affection? Liking or a love. Tie. To hold two or more things together using strings. What is the meaning of tie? To hold two or more things together using strings. Yes? Celebrate. To show the day is important by doing something special. What? Celebrate means to show the day is important by doing something special. Carry. To take things from one place to another. The meaning of carry is to take things from one place to another. Protect. Keep secure or give safety. What? Protect means keep secure or give safety. Then Aarti. A plate with lamps, light on it. Aarti means a plate with lamps, lights on it. Okay. Then brim. What is the meaning of brim? Full. What? Full. Glow. Glow means shine. What? The meaning of glow is shine. Then abiding. Obeying or lasting for a long time. Okay. Abiding means obeying, lasting for a long time. Then dwell. Reside or stay. What? Reside or stay. The meaning of dwell is reside or stay. Then second bit, fill in the blanks. See, Seema and Vani are dash Rakhis on a plate. What they are carrying? Rakhis on a plate. Yes, Seema and Vani are carrying Rakhis on a plate. Then second, they want to celebrate Raksha Bandhana festival with their cousins. They want to celebrate Raksha Bandhana festival with their cousins. Then the brother promised to dash their sisters. Yes, the brothers promised to protect their sisters. Yes, no? The brother promised to protect their sisters. Dash binds the siblings together. Affection binds the siblings together. Yes? Done. Our hearts are full to the brim this dash day. Our hearts full to the brim this full moon day. Yes, no? Yes. Then we light the dash and our heart glow. What? We light the lamps and our heart glow. Yes, no? Yes. We do what is dash and clean. We do what is right and clean. Yes, no? Yes. Then we put kumkum and blessed rice on the head. Yes, we put a kumkum and a blessed rice on the brother's head. Then the sister ties dash to the brothers. The sisters tie Rakhi to the brother. Yes. Then The brother gives dash to the sister. The brother give gift to the sister. Yes, no? Then I celebrate Rakhi dash. I celebrate Rakhi festival. Raksha Bandhana festival. Yes. I give dash to all. I give sweets to all. Yes. Then match the following. See, first one is carrying, second one is trying, and third one is celebrating. We should identify the pictures and we should match it. Okay. First picture you observe, it was trying. Yes. First is trying. Then second picture is celebrating. Yes. Second picture is celebrating. Then third picture is carrying. Yes. He is carrying the flowers. Yes. Done. Next. Match the animals and birds with their homes. Yes. See, we also live in a home. Even animals and birds also live in their homes. Yes. Then monkey live in, yes, tree. Yes. Monkey live in a tree. Bee means bee live in beehive. Yes. Then bird home is nest. Yes. Then cow, cattle or a shed. The cow home is cattle or a shed. Then lion home is den. Then horse, stable. Yes. I think okay. Then write the opposite words. Yes, no? Hot, cold, high, low, give, take, sweet, sour, good, bad, rich, poor, friend, enemy. Okay? Then identify the pictures. Okay? See, first picture is what it is? Yes, it is gift. Yes, no children? Yes. Then second picture is Rakhi. Yes. First picture is gift. Second picture is Rakhi. Then next. Third picture is plate. Yes. Then fourth picture is a wrist. Third picture is plate and fourth picture is wrist. Then add s and es to make a plurals. See, we have to add s and es to make a plurals. We have to add s and es to the singular nouns to make a plural nouns. First, brother, singular noun it is. It is only one brother. Yes, brothers, more than one, two or more. Yes, we should add yes, okay, to make a plural. Brothers. Then sisters, hands, months, books. Then see these three examples: gas, church, brush. See, we added es. Why should we added es to these words? Why means if the word ends with s, a double s, x, ch, sh, Okay, we should add ears. Okay, see, gas, the word ends with s. We should add ears, gases. Church, churches. Brush, brush. Yes, then complete the word wheel by choosing the correct letters. See, they have given letters M O W E H A S Y and W R. See, already they have given one. See, they have given N T H. Yes, we choose the letter M O, that is month. Okay, then look at second one. They have given R I S T. We choose the letter W R, wrist. Yes, then third one. See, they have given TH. We choose the letter WI, with. Okay, then they have given MBOL. We choose the letter SY, symbol. Then they have given ND. We choose the letter HA. Yes, first one is month, second one is wrist, third one is with, fourth one is symbol, and fifth one is hand. Okay, then see, second one, it is also word wheel only. Okay, we should add W. Yes, see, first one ILL they have given. We should choose, we should add W. Yes, will. Second one is well. Third one is wall. Fourth one is wool. Okay, we added W. Yes, then third one, add WH. Here we added WH. First one is one. Why? Who? What? Where? When? Okay, then see, answer the following questions. Yes, what did Draupadi to do Krishna's home? See, what did Draupadi to do Krishna's home? Draupadi tore a strip of her silk saree and tied it around his wrist. Yes, Draupadi tore a strip of her silk saree and tied it around his wrist. Okay, then in which part of India is Raksha Bandhana celebrated? The Raksha Bandhana festival celebrated in North India. Yes, the Raksha Bandhana festival celebrated in North India. Okay, then when is the festival celebrated? When we will celebrate the Raksha Bandhana festival? The Raksha Bandhana festival is celebrated in the month of Shravana. Yes, every month, every year in the month of Shravana. Where is Suma going? Suma is going to market. Suma is going to the market. Then what does she want to buy? Fifth question. What does she want to buy? She want to buy Rakhis. Yes, she want to buy Rakhis. Sixth question. What happens when we light the lamps? When we light the lamps, our heart glows. Yes, when we light the lamps, our heart glows. Who ties the threads on whom? Sisters tie the threads on brother's hand. Thread means Rakhi. Okay. Sister tie the Rakhi on the brother's hand. Okay. All my dear children, you should write these bits in your notebook and you should practice it. Okay. Thank you.